Dreaming of hitting up those buzzing Vegas clubs without spending a fortune? You're in luck! We've got 10 money-saving tips to help you enjoy the high-energy nightlife scene while keeping your budget intact. So buckle up, and let's dive into how you can dance, sip, and party smartly in Las Vegas. Budget-friendly time to visit nightclubs. Want to stretch your dollars? Hit up the clubs in fall or winter for better deals. The crowds are thinner, and bottle service prices drop like a celebrity's ego after a flop movie. Book closer to the event date, and you might snag an even better deal. It's like catching a sale on the hottest nightclub in town. Tip 1. Look for lower minimum spends. During off-peak times, table service minimums drop. This means you don't have to spend as much to secure a table. Just remember, the minimum spend usually covers only drinks, mixers, and juices, and doesn't include extra fees, taxes, or tips. Tip 2. Ladies, take advantage of better deals. If you're part of a female group, you're in luck. Women often get better deals and easier access to perks because clubs love to balance the gender ratio. So ladies, enjoy those VIP treatments and perks. Get on the guest list to save on nightclub entry. Want to save a buck? Many Vegas clubs offer guest lists you can sign up for online. It's your golden ticket to possibly getting in for free. Just remember to show up early and dress to impress. Think of it as your chance to strut your stuff without strutting through the cover charge line. Tip 1. Timing is key. Almost every club, including those hip-hop hotspots, has a guest list, except during holidays or special events when it's VIP only, no exceptions. For a free pass, make sure your group is at least 1-to-1 guy-to-girl ratio before midnight. And remember, if you're fashionably late, be prepared to pay the full cover. It's like being punished for trying to look good. Tip 2. Arrive early. Guest lists usually close around midnight. For a smoother entry, aim to arrive by 11 p.m. On nights with mega DJs, be an early bird and get there by 10:30 p.m. It's like trying to get into the hottest club in town before everyone else shows up, because nobody likes waiting in line, right? Tip 3. Guest list doesn't guarantee entry. Just because you're on the guest list doesn't mean you're guaranteed entry. Clubs can refuse you for any reason. Think of it as a high-stakes game of will I or won't I get in, and hope you're on the winning side. Tip 4. Be prepared for early closures. Guest lists can close earlier than expected if the club gets packed. If you're thinking of showing up late, be ready for the possibility of not getting in. It's like a surprise plot twist in your night out. Tip 5. Patience. Guest list lines usually move slower and have lower priority. So if you're on the list, be prepared for a little extra waiting. It's like being in the almost VIP lane. Patience is key. Tip 6. Book bottle service on holidays and special events. During holidays, the guest list may be scarce or non-existent. For these occasions, it's smarter to book bottle service. It's the VIP way to ensure you get a spot without dealing with guest list drama. Tip 7. Keep gender ratios balanced. Many clubs offer free admission to guest list folks, but if your group isn't evenly balanced or is all guys, expect to pay a discounted or full-priced fee. So, balance your ratios and save those dollars. Hybrid method to save on nightclub entry. Got a big group of guys and girls? Try a hybrid approach. Guys grab a table, while the girls use the guest list or pre-sale tickets. This way, you keep table minimums lower because the girls aren't counted as part of the table's minimum spend. Once they're in, they can join the party at your table. It's like a VIP two-step, one for savings, one for style. Another tip, girls need to be early birds. If the girls are using the guest list, they often need to arrive earlier than the guys. So make sure your ladies are up and glam ready early. It's a team effort. Get them mobilized and ready to shine before the guys even hit the club. Think of it as a coordinated dance routine. Timing is everything. Buy tickets if you are not on a budget. If you think you might miss the guest list cutoff, go for tickets instead. Ticket lines are usually quicker than guest list or general admission lines. Plus, tickets often cost less than general admission. It's like choosing the express lane at the supermarket, faster and sometimes cheaper. Tip 1. Buy advance tickets for extra perks. Sometimes, advance tickets come with bonus perks, depending on the club. During peak seasons or holidays, they're a smart buy to secure entry and maybe even score some extras. Think of it as preemptive strike against the holiday crowds. Tip 2. Tickets are your best bet for big DJs or all-guy groups. For major DJs, or if your group is all guys and you're skipping bottle service, advance tickets are a lifesaver. They almost always guarantee entry and can save you from paying for bottle service. It's like having a VIP pass without the VIP price tag. Keep another thing in mind. Seating is a hard-to-find treasure. While tickets might get you in faster, they don't come with a seat. If you're not on a table service or VIP list, don't expect to plop down easily. Seating for non-VIPs is like a hidden gem, rare and hard to come by. Saving money on bottle service in Las Vegas. Want a guaranteed spot and a bit of luxury? Bottle service is the way to go. You're paying for a table, bottles, and mixers, basically renting a piece of the club for the night. It's like upgrading from coach to first class, but with more party and less legroom. Tip 1. Factor in the extras. When booking a table, remember to multiply the quoted minimum by 1.3. So, if they say the minimum spend is $1,000, expect to spend around $1,300 once you add tax and tips. It's like finding out your VIP seat comes with a surprise service fee. Tip 2. Know your costs. Bottle service in Vegas can range from $150 to $1,000 per person, depending on your splurge level. Las Vegas tends to have higher tabs than other cities, so prepare your wallet for some heavy lifting. It's like Vegas's way of saying, "Welcome to the party." Tip 3. Group up for savings. If you have enough people pitching in, bottle service can actually be a good deal. For example, if you have 8 guys and want to hit a top club with a big DJ, you might spend $50 on pre-sale tickets or $70 at the door. Add in $20 per drink, and you'll quickly rack up a $150 to $200 tab. So, pooling your money can make bottle service a financial winner. Tip 3. Balance your group. If your group is mostly girls, the cost per guy goes up, and bottle service might not be worth it. Aim for a balanced group to keep costs manageable. If not, you might end up paying more than you bargained for, like being stuck with the bill and no party. Tip 4. Manage your alcohol costs. The biggest expense in Vegas is usually the alcohol. If you can keep your drink costs under control, you'll be in good shape. Think of it as your personal challenge. Keep the drinks flowing without emptying your bank account. Saving money on table service. Got a large group? Instead of splurging on one big table, try booking 2 smaller tables side by side. It's often cheaper than one large table. For example, a prime dance floor table might cost $8,000 for 12 people, while 2 back wall tables could run you $2,500 each for 6 people, totaling $5,000. That's a $3,000 saving right off the bat. Besides the table cost, you'll save on venue fees, sales tax, and gratuity with 2 smaller tables. Sure, it might not be front and center on the dance floor, but think of it as a VIP deal with extra cash in your pocket. It's like upgrading from a premium seat to a front row view without the premium price. Budget-friendly table sharing. On a budget, but still want the VIP feel? Try table sharing. It's a fantastic way to enjoy bottle service at a fraction of the cost. Clubs like Tao, Marquee, and Hakkasan often offer table sharing, so you can save money while still partying in style. It's like getting a discount on VIP without giving up the VIP vibe. Table sharing comes with great benefits: free entry, quick access to the club, open seating in a shared area, and unlimited drinks. Here is pro tip: be prepared for the crowds. Keep in mind that table sharing means more people at your table. You might end up with a squeeze on space, and not everyone will be your new best friend. And yes, mixing your own drinks with strangers can feel a bit shady, like playing bartender at a party you didn't quite plan. Early or late table service reservation. Want the best deal on a table in Nightclub? Reserve early. Booking at least a month in advance usually scores you the lowest prices, especially in the spring and summer. Think of it as setting a reservation for a party you don't want to miss, minus the last-minute price shock. Tip 1. Secure your spot with a deposit. To lock in your rate, consider paying a deposit or prepaying for your table. This way, you're safe from any sneaky price hikes that might pop up later. It's like putting a down payment on a stress-free night out. Tip 2. Wait and watch for last-minute deals. Not in a rush? Keep an eye on club prices as they can fluctuate weekly based on demand. If a club isn't selling tables as fast as they'd like, they might drop rates. Skip the VIP host. VIP hosts in Vegas are the folks who connect you to table and bottle service and help with entry and special requests. They're like the middlemen between you and the club. While they're great if you've got cash to burn, you don't need to spend extra on them if you're watching your wallet. VIP hosts can be handy, but if you're on a budget, save your cash. With a bit of research, you can figure out the ins and outs of the clubs yourself. Many clubs have standardized their pricing post-pandemic, making VIP hosts less essential. So you don't need to pay extra for what you can handle online. Here is a pro tip. Book directly for the best rates. After the pandemic, many clubs stopped offering discounts through VIP hosts and moved to online booking. This means you'll get the same pricing whether you book through a host or directly with the club. Save yourself the extra cost and book online instead. Your wallet will thank you. Clubbing in downtown Las Vegas. Downtown Las Vegas is a more relaxed alternative to the Strip, with a variety of budget-friendly bars, lounges, and rooftop patios. Think of it as Vegas with a bit of a chillaxing twist. Downtown clubs and bars are not only kinder to your wallet, but they're also conveniently close together. This makes it perfect for bar hopping or pub crawls without the hassle of long cab rides or crowded streets. It's like a clubbing mini vacation where the fun is just a hop, skip, and a jump away. If you prefer a more laid-back, less hectic night out, downtown Vegas is your go-to spot. It's like having your cake and eating it too. More fun, less stress. Bonus tip. Do you think the bathroom attendant's job is just to keep things tidy? Think again. For a little tip, you can score some sweet extras. We're talking cigarettes, mints, and even fancy designer colognes. Need a quick touch-up? Drop a few bucks and get a spritz from the top-shelf scents. Oh, and if your phone's about to die, they might even let you charge it while you party. Just remember to show your appreciation with a tip. Ladies, if your feet are feeling the burn due to dancing, head to the ladies' room for some serious relief. Many clubs offer ballet flats and flip-flops for sale. For around $15 to $20, you can keep dancing without the pain. Talk about a bargain. Besides shoes, the ladies' room has all kinds of goodies. You can find candies, mints, hairspray, bandages, hair ties, and yes, feminine products. It's like a mini convenience store with all the essentials to keep you looking and feeling fabulous. This is the end of video. We hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy traveling!